The Laser Beam Divergence Interactive Calculator helps you analyze how laser beams spread as they propagate through space. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate divergence angle from wavelength and beam waist, far field beam diameter, Rayl range, beam waist from divergence, wavelength from divergence and waist, or m² beam quality factor. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Divergence Angle. The calculator requires 3 inputs. Enter wavelength lambda in micrometers, beam waist W0 in millimeters, and m² beam quality factor, which defaults to 1.0 for ideal beams. Let's work through an example. With wavelength of 10 micrometers, beam waist of 10 millimeters, and m² of 1.0, the calculator outputs 5 key results. The divergence angle half angle is 0.3183 milliradians. In degrees, that's 0.0182 degrees. The full cone angle is 0.6366 milliradians. The Rayl range, where the beam expands to √2 times its waist, is 31.416 meters. The beam quality assessment shows excellent, near diffraction limited performance. These results help you predict beam behavior for optical system design. Find the link in the description below.